In the mood for a little throttle therapy, I fired up the beast, the GSA 1250, and rolled out of Denver chasing the call of the wild. Destination, Grand Tetons National Park. But this isn't going to be a straight shot. Oh no. We're gonna zigzag our way through Wyoming into Tetons. Once you leave Denver behind, Colorado slowly fades into soft hills, and before you know it, bam!
First stop, entered Wyoming. Traveling from Denver.
Land of white skies, low speed limits, and more cows than humans. Comfy beds and room service is fun, but riding your motorcycle for hours on end till your butt hurts is even better. Wide open spaces, no one to steal my snacks, and plenty of time to contemplate life's big questions. Let me state the obvious, I do stop a lot, not for sightseeing or for fuel, but for butt preservation. Out of nowhere, greenery. Like this place suddenly remembered, oh yeah, plants exist. Turns out it's just irrigation or witchcraft. Alright, the landscape's starting to shift. The air feels cooler, the trees are sneaking in, and I'm pretty sure I just saw grass that didn't look stressed. That only can mean one thing. I'm slowly rolling into Medicine Bow National Forest. This place is over 1 million acres of pure, unfiltered nature. I kept reminding myself, slow down and enjoy the ride, city boy. I was cruising along, dry and smug, when gods decided to humble me with a mid-ride shower. My gloves soaked, my boots squishy. My spirit slightly damp but still rolling. These towering green guardians have been here longer than most of our problems. We've got lodgepole pines, aspens, fir trees, and God knows what not. Together, they form this massive green cathedral. Every mile now feels like a drum roll. I haven't seen them yet, but I can feel them rising, like ancient giants waiting beyond the horizon. The Tetons are calling. Just before the Tetons, the landscape pulled a fast one on me. Suddenly, everything got super colorful. Reds, yellows, greens. Like Wyoming forgot it was mostly sagebrush a few miles back. It's wild how the colors completely change the vibe of the place. 1 minute you're riding through rugged peaks, next you're in this golden wonderland that feels almost fake. It did feel like I'm in a Windows wallpaper. Day 2, hitting Tetons. It's gonna be amazing, can't wait. Meanwhile, the drone's been putting in some serious overtime. Batteries crying, motors are warm, but it's hanging in there like a champ, just like me. And there it is. The road suddenly feels smaller, the ride quieter. Even the engine hum takes a back seat for a moment. After miles of plains, winding forest roads, and colorful hills, the Tetons finally come into view, and honestly, nothing prepares you for it. I've seen pictures, read blogs, watched other people's vlogs, but seeing them with your own eyes, that's different. You feel it in your chest, like you've arrived somewhere that matters. They're just there, sharp, dramatic, unapologetically bold. My body's toast, wind-beaten, sunburnt, and held together by caffeine and stubbornness. So rolling into camp right now feels like crossing some kind of personal finish line. No crowds, no medals, just a quiet patch of wilderness and the sweet promise of getting off the seat. Out here, you're not escaping the world, you're reconnecting with it, one quiet, wild night at a time. Tonight, I'm not chasing views, I'm chasing sleep. Waking up to the sound of absolutely nothing. No alarms, no pings, just the forest doing its thing.
Day 3 in the Teton National Park. It's a beautiful day today.
This is the kind of morning that makes the long ride, a stiff back, all worth it. The fire is out, the gear's packed, and the road calls again. It's not about the destination, it's about the quiet moments, the open skies, and the reminder that freedom isn't a place, it's a feeling. Until next time.